If comfort had a color, it would be this bowl. We're making a sweet potato and kale bowl. Warm, vibrant, and the kind of meal that feeds both heart and hunger. You'll need roasted orange sweet potatoes, fresh kale, yellow onion, garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add just a touch of smoked paprika for depth. Simple ingredients that bring big, natural flavor. Start with olive oil in your skillet. Then add onions and garlic. Let them soften and release their aroma before tossing in the kale. That quick sizzle is where the flavor builds. If you love easy, colorful meals that don't skip on flavor, go ahead and tap like. It helps me share even more cozy, satisfying recipes like this one. Spoon your sautéed kale and onions into a bowl, then layer on those golden sweet potatoes. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil or a sprinkle of seeds for texture. Real food, real flavor, real comfort. Just look at that. Golden cubes of sweet potato, glossy greens of kale, and that warm, inviting glow. It's the kind of bowl that makes you slow down and smile. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.